The price of Bitcoin could reach 0.0000101 by the end of 2023. The Bittorrent cost forecast by 2025 shows that the conversion rate may range from 0.0000109 to 0.0000157, and the normal cost of BTT may be approximately 0.0000133. Our bullish Bittorrent cost forecast suggests that the coin might trade between 0.0000381 and 0.0000549 by 2030. Bittorrent's continuing cost stays at 0.0000472, representing a 0.90 increase over the previous week. Bittorrent's market capitalization is currently at $450,308,921, while its 24-hour volume is 9,131,501, and it has seen a 16.82 drop in the beyond 24 hours. There is a marginally negative feeling in the crypto market. However, the long-haul perspective for Bittorrent remains hopeful, with a possible ascent to 0.0000101 by the end of 2023. In this section, we will look into Bittorrent cost projections for the coming years, BTT symbolic category, and the characteristics that make Bittorrent a cryptocurrency website. Understanding Bittorrent is a novel task in the digital money space, providing a secure organization to record-sharing administrations. As of late, the dispatch of BTT on the mainnet has stood out from business specialists because of its highly discussed symbolic group root. On the historical backdrop of this extremely dependable digital currency can be traced back to the presence of a cryptographic convention. Despite the fact that it was initially utilized, BTT powers showcases some of the world's most well-known decentralized conventions and applications. BTT-powered apps incorporate Bittorrent speed. It involves the Bittorrent convention for sharing and moving, and Bittorrent was the largest record-sharing convention in 2019. The Tron network includes signed proof of a state convention for security. A distinguishing feature of this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the BTT organization. This distinguishing feature distinguishes it from other Ethereum-based decentralized finance conventions and simultaneously lays out a plethora of mining roads, so it wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of BTT tokens as impetuses in executing clever agreements and moving assets. The BTT value journey has been designed with shocks and interesting curves in the road. At the moment, Bittorrent cost is exchanging at 0.0000472 with a flowing inventory of 951,421,714286,000 BTT and a total stock of 990 trillion BTT. The Bittorrent new market capitalization is $449,895,789 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of 9,131,959, while encompassing starting from the beginning of this current year, the BTT token has exchanged with a moderate pattern with not in the middle of drops. On February 21, the cost of the Bittorrent new token was exchanging around 0.0007708. However, from that point onward, it confronted a dismissal and dropped to the low of 0.0000466. The continual cost fluctuations show that there are, if you are looking for virtual monetary standards with high returns, you may have mixed feelings. BTT is a bad high-risk one-year speculation option. Bittorrent new cost equivalent 0.000110, but your ongoing venture may be degraded from here on out due to Justin Sun. BTT has a promising future according to Bittorrent expectation. According to BTT cost expectation 2030. The symbolic cost may be hardly influenced, but bulls will be back and its cost may skyrocket to 0.0003610. Making financial backers purchase the torrent new cost. According to the Gauge Information Investigation, the cost of BTT is expected to exceed 0.0000941 by the end of the year. PITTORRE and TINU is expected to arrive at a minimum expense of 0.0000424. Furthermore, The BTT cost is expected to reach a maximum of 0.0000103 BTT is expected to reach a maximum of 0.0000188 toward the end of 2025 as per analysts. However, it is extremely hopeful that the BitTorrent's future will eventually develop. Subsequently, the expected typical cost of BTT will be around $0.0000162 in 2025. It will require some investment and extended client base and positive opinions before BitTorrent costs central and specialized testing. BitTorrent value expectation 2023. According to our BTT forecast for the year 2023, the coin may have the lowest and highest costs of around 0.0000418 and 0.0000101 separately, with a typical cost of 0.0000716. BTT value expectation 2024. According to BitTorrent cost forecast, the coin may exchange between the range of 0.0000856 to 0.0000123, where 0.0000856 is the lowest cost and 0.0000123 is the highest cost. BitTorrent coin value forecast for 2025 according to RBTT cost estimate 2025. The BitTorrent coin is expected to have least and most extreme costs of roughly 0.0000109 and 0.0000157, respectively. Interestingly, the average cost may be 0.0000133, with a rate change of about 40 BTT. Crypto value forecast 2026. According to our BitTorrent crypto forecast, the coin may have a typical exchanging cost of $0.0000173 with a base and maximum cost of 0.0000142.0.0000204. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are getting ready for more gains as stocks try to add to their recent gains. Several macro factors drove the recent rise in a number of asset classes, but experts disagree about how long the current bullish trend will last. Many people have been waiting for a long-awaited slowdown and a return of the 2022 bear market, but neither has happened so far in 2023. In fact, most assets have found buyers, and on July 12, the Nasdaq hit a 52-week high. How is this possible? Will the rise go on? Michael Burry, who wrote The Big Short, said in January that the U.S. could be in a recession by the end of 2023 if the Consumer Price Index, CPI, went down and the Federal Reserve cut interest rates. The CPI came in much lower than expected.